Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up a welcome email in Mailchimp. So, let's get started. So, a welcome email, guys, is something that we usually send to new subscribers, like followers, and people like that. So, we need to make an automation to confirm that there is a category that matches our condition, and then we will send them an email. So we need first to make an automation. We need to go here, click on automations, and create automation. From here, I'm gonna send or write the name, and let's name it welcome email. Choose a starting point, and the starting point is gonna be sign up for email, welcome new signups, as you can see here. So there we go. And now include important contact and save starting point. Now what I'm going to do is to simply send an email, and within this email I need to make some content. Of course, here I will select a template, and here I'm going to select a template and work on it and make it say, for example, welcome to our email now, or to our platform. So I'm going to choose this one for now, as for now, like this, and there we go, it's loading. And let's change that to welcome to our platform. For now, I'm just gonna keep it as it is. Of course, you guys, make sure to make it look better. Make sure that it matches your theme and it looks beautiful. Once it is done, click and save and return to the journey. And just like that, you might have some problems like these buttons here. For me, I have these buttons. For you, you will not face any problems like so. And then save and continue. And once you're done with that, go to the journey, save it, and send the journey. Make it on. And just like that, whenever there is a new subscriber, it will send them the email. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.